how to make a 3x3 piston door in Minecraft. So first, just get your stick-up piston and destroy a block on the ground, then put the stick-up piston right there, put another one on top of it, then just make this T-shaped like figure right there. Once it's done, get any block that you want. I'm using a block of iron, so I'm just going to simply put 2 blocks, destroy the bottom one, and just simply mirror the figure that we have right here. So it should be looking like that. And just basically make a circle around this one at the top. Once that's done, should be looking like that. So go at the top right here. And once you're on the top, let's sort of make 3 blocks up, 2, 3. And as you can see right there, just destroy the 2 blocks here below and get your stick piston and just put it right there. It should be facing downward. And just make 3 blocks here on the sides, 1, 2, 3, and destroy the 2 blocks, and also on the other side, do it too. Just like that, and get your sticky piston, and you could just place it right there, facing inwards. And you destroy the blocks right here since it's not needed. Just like that, and it should be looking like this. Now just simply get your redstone and put the redstone dust right here, connected to the sticky piston, and just put another one here on the side. Then get 2 blocks, just put it right there. So going up to this piston that we have right here. So just put it right there. Just like that, and we can remove this block right here since it's not needed, and just connect the red or the redstone torch that we have. I mean the redstone dust. Put it like that. Just like so. Now just go to the back this side and just get your block and just put some like stair-like block to basically get around this. So just like this one, just that, and just go with it around till you make it like this. So you don't need this block right there, so you could basically remove that. Oops. So remove this block. Also put more blocks right there, so it should be looking like that. Should be looking like that. Now put another one right here and just go through it like that, and just remove this block since it's not needed. Also remove this block and this block, so it should be looking like this. Now just simply go back here at the bottom. So break some blocks right here. So break 2 blocks and put a repeater and click on it 2 times and put your redstone dust. Then break another block right here and put your redstone dust again and place a repeater right here. Then click on it 2 times again, put the redstone dust and connect it to the repeater just like so. Then just simply add another block right here, but you could just break this one and just put another one on its side, so just like so, and just break this top block right there. It should be looking like this. And just put 2 bits of redstone. So 1, 2. Now go to the front after that's done. Now just get the block or any block they want and just put one right here and put one on the side and just remove it. And we're just gonna basically make a circle around this frame. So as you can see, we put mine right there. So let's remove this. I just gotta basically make a circle. Now once everything's done, it should be looking like that. Now get your lever and just put it right here and click it on it once, and this should pop up. And just click on it again. So make sure, because I'm just gonna turn it off. Forgot to put the redstone dust right here at the top, so make sure to put the redstone dust here also. So we connect it all the way back right here, just like that. Once it's done, you can now go back right here and just click. As you can see, it now works. That's how I basically make a 3x3 piston door in Minecraft.